Hey, geocachers, muggles, everyone alike. Scott Nohi, this one's for you. I hope you get this video. You and I discussed a puzzle lock that we both saw online and you wanted me to find. Well, I actually got one. And I want to show you how tricky it really can be. So what you see in front of you is the lock. I'm going to zoom in a bit. It's a pretty tricky lock, pretty thick. Not coming off. You can see how thick the mechanism is there. But how do you get it off? Well, it comes with three keys. Three keys. I'm going to zoom back a little bit. So the first one is you don't know where the keyhole is. So even looking underneath, there's... Oh no, you can't see it now. I'm sorry. Hang on. Looking underneath, no keyhole. No keyhole over there. No keyhole over there either. Keyhole, rather. So there's no keyhole, right? So how do you open it? Interesting. So I was sent these three keys. This is the first one. That's the first key, second key. And the third key. Here. So all three together. So I've already figured this puzzle out, so it's kind of neat. So I thought maybe that would work on there. Square, you know, would fit on there, right? That doesn't fit at all. Nothing. Well, there's no other keyholes, so I was just trying to figure out what else I could use. That one didn't work, and that one didn't work because nothing there, like nothing there, nothing. So I was looking around at the keys themselves, right here. This is the first key that you actually need. You do need this in two separate ways, though. So if that square fits on here, like so. So you have to undo this section. To get that off. And then you can use this to go inside of there. Which there's a square piece inside of there that this actually does fit into. So you give it a little twist and it starts to open up a little bit. So that's as far as it opens, so you can put that aside now. I don't know if you can see. There's a keyhole. So we're going to put this key, right? Because it's the only key that looks like it would work, because here's the other key. That key, that one there, that's done. We're all done with that one for now. So the only other key that can work right there, you'd think, if you give it a little twist, that something... Nothing happening. So I took that key back out. You have to get the other key. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. Single man operator, you know. So there is another hole over here, right there. Looks like it has a little bit of a screw to it, like a screw kind of thread. So does this key, the other key, on there. So you attach it like a nut and bolt kind of screw. Until that stops. Now I'm going to retry this key into the keyhole, the actual keyhole. Watch the magic. And that's the puzzle lock. Coming to a geocache near you. Well, in Pennsylvania at least. But to go in reverse, so now we're going to put it back on so you can see how it goes in reverse. Okay? So we're going to put it back onto here. It does latch on its own. So now it's locked again. You have to undo the screw key, which pulls a mechanism across to allow it to unlock on the inside. So we're going to put those two keys aside now. You use the square hold key there, that part. And that's going to move the body back up to cover the key holes. And screw that back on here. With that key. And you have your puzzle lock. So I'm wondering what I could do with this. I mean, obviously I could lock up a ammo box, something along those lines. But I'm wondering what to do or how to incorporate the three keys, how to put them out into the wild. I knew that there was a locking box somewhere that had 3 travel bugs attached to the keys. One was a fake key and two or other viable keys that could be used to unlock a basic lock, like a master lock. But I didn't know what else to do. That was just an idea, copying an idea from someone else. But if anybody else has any better ideas, I'd love to hear them. So again, the puzzle lock. Thanks for watching.